In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy S&P 500 on interactive brokers. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left here inside IBK or desktop, and you want to go ahead and type in S&P 500. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to load in, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones, and you can click on stocks/ETF, and over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different ones. So we have the VU, the IVV, the SPY, etc. You basically will have to select which S&P 500 you want to invest in, and of course, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just going to show you how to physically do this on the app. So of course, select the one that you want. I'm just here inside my simulated trading, so I'm going to select whichever one. And when you do your own research, select the one you want to do. I'm going to go with this one, for example. And then here on the right hand side, you can see the buy order or sell order. So to buy it, you want to click on buy order, and there you'll be able to select your quantity in either shares or USD, the market order or the order you want to do. So for example, limit, market, stop, or any of these available over here in this drop down menu. And then if you've selected a limit order, you can also do a limit price. But if you have the market, you won't be able to select this. You have to select your time in force, and then you also can do attach orders here to actually do the take profit or the profit taker and the stop loss if you wanna. And whenever you're ready, you can preview everything, and if it looks fine, you can just go ahead and click on submit buy order. And that's basically how you can buy S&P 500 on interactive brokers. So again, this is just kind of how you do it. So make sure you do your own research prior to actually doing anything. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.